Hi there, and welcome to RipeMetrics, the customer growth platform designed for doing business online. In this deep dive session, we will introduce RipeMetrics, provide an overview of our 3 feature suites, taking a detailed tour of each, and wrap up with a summary of our subscription and upgrade options. At RipeMetrics, we know that running an expanding online empire can be a real thrill ride, but one of the early challenges can be striking that difficult balance between your obligations to serve existing customers and the pursuit of sales growth. Plenty of automations exist that can help, but these applications can be expensive, complex, and difficult to extract value from. This is why many small to medium-sized online businesses don't have central systems for customer management. RipeMetrics solves this problem by combining all the essential features a growing online business needs in one simple and affordable platform for powering customer growth, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. RipeMetrics comes in 3 editions, each designed for a specific group of tasks. RipeCRM is our communication suite, which contains all the features needed to connect with your customers and respond to their queries, with AI handling all of the frontline sales and customer service interactions over chat and email. RipeCRM will also maintain your contact database, sales pipeline, case management, communication history, and appointment scheduling. RipeENGAGE then uses AI to organize customer contacts into segments and design marketing campaigns that will connect with their specific needs, as well as help you with running loyalty, reward, and community programs. Finally, RipeINTEL pulls data from your communication channels and point-of-sale system to serve up AI recommendations aimed at improving both business performance and customer experience. So let's dive straight in with RipeCRM and our user-friendly chatbot setup, which couldn't be easier. Simply enter your website details and our AI research agent does the rest, gathering together your logo, style, and design elements while scouring the public web to learn all about your business. Next, select which communication channels you would like your AI bot to operate over. Website chat and email are the most popular and come free with RipeMetrics, although in our RipeENGAGE edition, we also support SMS as well as phone, using interactive voice response. Finally, you can verify the work of our AI researcher and see how your new website chatbot will render, making any changes you wish. That's it! Now you are ready to test your AI chatbot's knowledge in this simple sandbox. Ask it anything a typical website visitor might want to know to sample the experience your customers will receive. If you want to make corrections to your AI's knowledge bank or give it additional information to work with, our AI Trainer feature allows you to work with your AI chatbot to perfect its capabilities. Businesses with AI chatbots report a significant increase in customer engagement, so you will need an efficient way of checking in on all that activity. RipeCRM's primary interface will allow you to track interactions between your customers and your business, with communication divided into 2 queues, one for your AI and one for your human team. If at any time you want to redirect a customer from the AI queue to a human agent, that can easily be done. RipeCRM's easy-to-use interface will display each customer's communication timeline, notes your team might have left, chat interactions, emails, texts, and voice calls. RipeCRM's AI will provide a summary of every touchpoint, making easy to quickly get up to speed on account history. You can speak with customers live through web chat, as well as call, text, or email straight out of the CRM viewer. RipeCRM will automatically create a customer profile for every new visitor, and these are stored in your contact manager. Each profile is automatically populated with the customer's communication history, opt-in preferences, transactional history, and personal data. RipeCRM's AI will also make product recommendations based on the customer's own purchase history and others from their demographic. The AI will assign them to a customer segment so that future messages or promotions remain relevant. New contact profiles can be manually added, and RipeCRM has a bulk import feature so that external customer data can be uploaded from your existing spreadsheets or CSV files. For sales-led businesses, RipeCRM will subdivide prospects from your contacts and add to a sales workflow. This neat tool applies the popular Kanban-style approach to managing your pipeline, with sales opportunities organized into columns based on sales stage. For each prospect, you can assign a salesperson, add a forecast value, set an appointment, or access the contact profile. Your sales team can either change the opportunity value or simply drag and drop the opportunity to the next stage in the workflow. The summary page provides a simple visualization to help better understand conversion rates and opportunity progression through your workflow. And lastly, for businesses that depend on appointments or bookings, RipeCRM's scheduling assistant allows your team to manage an appointment or booking schedule, which can also be used to track other events from within RipeMetrics, such as promotional campaigns or product launches. That's RipeCRM. Everything you'll need to communicate with customers, serve their needs 24/7, as well as manage contact profiles, sales pipelines, and business schedules. So now that you're building up contacts in your CRM, you are ready to accelerate customer growth with RipeENGAGE, our AI-enhanced marketing workflow and loyalty management suite. An effective way to drive consistent growth is to run frequent marketing campaigns personalized to a specific audience. For each campaign, that means organizing customers in segments and preparing the right message for that group before building up the creative content. That's no small task. Fortunately, RipeENGAGE organizes these tasks into a simple marketing workflow, using AI and automations to take care of all the segmentation, list building, and creative design work. Step 1 is to browse your customer segments to select a target audience. RipeENGAGE's AI has created these segments for existing customers by analyzing the recency, frequency, and monetary patterns in their buying behavior. RipeENGAGE will also automatically organize prospects and customers into these default segments, as well as giving you the option to add your own. From this dashboard, you can edit the segment, launch the campaign studio, and view the number of customers in each group, as well as the revenue potential these segments represent. With your customer segments organized, step 2 in the marketing workflow is to create your campaign content using the Campaign Studio. In the Campaign Studio dashboard, you can review a series of campaigns generated by the RipeENGAGE AI based on its analysis of recent customer behavior. The AI will also create a series of triggers that automate your outreach. You can preview the message and enable these automated campaigns with a single click. Of course, you can create your own campaigns in the Campaign Studio by selecting the communication channel, adding any codes that might trigger discounts, and selecting your customer segment. Then, to help you craft your campaign, a range of design templates are offered which support both desktop and mobile form factors. And the key to making an impact with your campaign will be quality creative content. From the creative palette, any option with the Gen AI symbol can assist you by generating images and text that will help you quickly compile professional-grade material. If promotional writing isn't your thing, then let Campaign Studio's Gen AI take care of it for you. Simply request the variations you need until you are satisfied with the message and tone. Should your campaign content include a call to action, then step 3 in the marketing workflow is where you'll create a landing page that inspires and motivates your audience. The landing page studio in RipeENGAGE uses the design interface you will be familiar with from the Campaign Studio, where our generative AI will assist you in creating beautiful content in minutes. When complete, simply use the QR or URL to preview your work or copy directly into your campaigns. Finally, steps 4 and 5 in the marketing workflow can both be found in the same campaign scheduler, where your pending, active, and archived campaigns can be managed. From here, you also can monitor the effectiveness of each campaign by selecting the metrics panel from the actions list. However, there's more to customer growth than just automating marketing campaigns. That's why RipeENGAGE offers a range of growth and loyalty features that will help keep the customer at the center of your business and connect them with products they will love. For example, you might want to build a sense of community around your customers based with updates and newsletters. Or perhaps you want to remind them to top up or renew subscriptions. RipeENGAGE's Booster feature will help you create a library of engaging and informative content enhanced with stunning AI-generated artwork. Recipients and scheduling can then be managed through Campaign Studio using the same simple scheduler. You can also use receipt marketing to connect customers with more products they might enjoy. RipeENGAGE uses AI to automatically add both your best-selling products and those likely to appeal most to that specific buyer. But what if you have an exciting new range you can't wait to promote, or a seasonal offer you want to add to all outbound communications? Well, featured deals in RipeENGAGE will allow you to make one single change that will boost that product across any customer marketing where products are featured. However, probably the most important features in RipeENGAGE are customer experience, feedback capture, and net promoter scoring. Surveys and feedback campaigns can be run through Campaign Studio, but this is where your feedback queue can be inspected and the results analyzed. This interactive visualization can give you a sense of customer sentiment at a glance, whereas more detail can be extracted through the filter panel. At a high level, the summary view will help you understand what impact both positive and negative feedback might have on sales. That's RipeENGAGE, our AI-enhanced demand generation, retention marketing, and customer experience feature package, designed to simplify complex tasks so that you can delight customers and reach a wider audience with impactful content. So, now you've got the RipeMetrics AI connected to your communication, point of sale, and customer feedback channels, you'll need a way to turn all that powerful data into clear, actionable insights. That's where RipeINTEL comes in. If you run a growing business, there's probably a big question on your mind each morning. What is that one important thing that I need to focus on today? That's a simple question, but it can be hard to answer when your data is spread across multiple systems. RipeINTEL solves this problem by using AI recommendations. AI recommendations are becoming increasingly popular with decision makers in growth businesses who lack the bandwidth to spend hours in data. Imagine starting the day with a simple visualization of business health and customer sentiment before checking in on the critical success factors that drive your business growth. Whether you are simply deciding where to apply daily focus or preparing for an important meeting with your board or potential investors, RipeINTEL will be there to deliver an accurate, insightful, and up-to-the-minute summary of all your essential business metrics. You'll also find a series of detailed reports that will assist with growth modeling. RipeINTEL makes business data highly accessible in 4 specific areas. RevOps reporting will summarize sales performance, NPS results, and open customer service cases all in one dashboard. Product performance will summarize your best-selling, most profitable, and highest or lowest growth lines, as well as help you understand the product characteristics that are driving your highest sales conversions. You can export charts, graphics, and data from RipeINTEL to any of these formats. In shopping trends, you will be able to pinpoint peak buying hours that will help you schedule promotional campaigns for maximum impact, as well as seeing the delta between in-store sales, online, and click and collect. Customer behaviors will report on customer-level sales metrics and provide a summary of your customer demographic to help you personalize marketing content effectively. Returning customers will spend more than new ones, so understanding where you are at greatest risk of losing customers will allow you to focus your loyalty and retention marketing efforts for maximum impact. Lastly, RipeINTEL includes Communication Tracker, a basic communication auditing tool that shows the balance between AI and human workloads, the volume of communication per channel, and a log of all recent customer interactions, which will take you straight to the message or call transcript. And that's RipeINTEL. It's just like having a business analyst by your side, always ready to provide precise insight and help you make great business decisions. RipeINTEL completes RipeMetrics, the customer growth platform designed for dynamic online business. Engage, delight, and grow your customers, with AI doing the hard work. Best of all, RipeCRM is free. It includes a single user license and all the features shown in this demo, supporting up to 500 messages per month. Additional user licenses can be purchased, and growth bundles of 5,000 additional messages can be added to all 3 editions. RipeCRM users can upgrade to RipeENGAGE to access all its features, 10x their message volume, and get a discount on their growth bundles. And RipeINTEL, with all its powerful insights, is made available with 10,000 monthly messages. For more information on our subscription plans and terms of service, please visit RipeMetrics.com. The RipeMetrics team hopes you've enjoyed this demo deep dive, and we look forward to welcoming you to our growing user community. Until next time!